Thomas Bradwardine, De Causa Dei, Episode 7. Itaque hoc omnes consentiunt Deum esse, quod, cateris, rebus omnibus anteponunt. Unde et propheta, magnus inquit Dominus et laudabilis nimis, et magnitudinis eius non est finis. Psalmus centum et quadriginta et quatuor. And so, says Bradwardine, all these persons, masculine plural nominative, meaning the authorities that he cited, Anselm, Augustine, Richard of St. Victor, and so forth, all of them agree, consentiunt, that God is, Deum esse hoc, that God is than which no greater thing can be conceived. So we have Deum, masculine singular and accusative, as the subject of esse, the infinitive. This is an indirect statement, oratio obliqua, and I am taking hoc as the predicate of Deum. So you could take it one of two ways. They agree that this, meaning than which nothing greater can be conceived, is God, or the other way, it doesn't matter. They agree that God is this thing. Which fact, or which thing, quod, and I take this as referring back to hoc, and so it is neuter and singular, but it is accusative as the object of anteponunt, which fact they prefer or set before all other considerations, caeteris or caeteris rebus omnibus. And this, of course, is feminine, plural, and ablative, and anteponunt, a third plural, present indicative active, from the compounded form of pono, namely ante and ponere, to place before, to set before, very often to prefer. Whence also, or on this score, in the same vein also, confer the prophet, what the prophet says. The prophet, he said, Magnus Dominus, great are you, O Lord, Magnus Dominus, et laudabilis nimis, and very worthy of praise. Or great is the Lord, I suppose, because we have here est as the third singular, of which Dominus is the subject. So Magnus, Dominus, laudabilis, these are all masculine, singular, and nominative. The first two, second declension, adjective and noun, and the third one is an adjective of the third declension, laudabilis. The Lord is great and praiseworthy, excessively so. That's nimis, which is a common adverb. And of his greatness, et magnitudinis eius, there is no limit. Psalm 144. Magnitudinis, feminine, singular, and genitive. Eius, masculine, singular, and genitive. So of his size, his magnitude, of the magnitude of him. So this one, eius, is a possessive genitive, and magnitudinus is patterning with finis. There is not a limit, finis, which is masculine, singular, and nominative, and this, of course, is a fifth declension noun.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that free lesson. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell. You can also become a patron at patreon.com/LatinPerDiem. And if you really loved it, you can leave a tip right here as a super fan. Thank you so much.